Greetings, everyone. Greeting Mr. Insinyur Harry Hamdi Azwar MT as our lecturer for this course. Thank you for being here today on behalf of our group. I'm pleased to present the findings and outcomes of our assignment titled Discrete Probability Distribution. Next, please. And here are our group members. We got Arana Pratama as myself, Cilia Angreina, Dimas Mahendra Putra, Manuel Fabio Villananda, and last one, Rifka. And here's an overview that we would like to discuss further on this presentation. So we have the problem, we have the background statement and objectives, the methodology, we have the binomial, Poisson, and CLT, data and analysis, we do manual calculation, software computation, and the last one, conclusion.
Problem background. Probability theory is vital for analyzing and making decisions in uncertain situations with binomial and Poisson distribution being key tools. The binomial distribution model repeats trial with two outcomes such as predicting customer satisfaction or product success rate, while the Poisson distribution focuses on rare events like customer arrivals or machine breakdowns. Manual calculation can be time-consuming and error-prone, but tools like Microsoft Excel simplify computations and make results easier to interpret. Combining theory with practical tools help learning and professionals effectively apply probability to real-world problems.
Probability distribution are super important for understanding and predicting outcomes, but let's be honest, they are not always easy to grasp. Many of us struggle with manually solving problems, like figuring out the chance of rolling a certain number on a die or estimating how many customers will show up at a cafe. It can feel like a lot to wrap your head around. That's where tools and technology come in. Comparing manual calculation with software solutions shows us just how accurate and user-friendly these tools can be. They simplify the process and save time, making complex concepts way more approachable.
And the objective, the first, to demonstrate the manual computation of probability using binomial and Poisson distribution for real-world example. And the second, to utilize software tools like Microsoft Excel to compute the probabilities and verify manual results. And the third, to evaluate the effectiveness of software-based computation in simplifying and improving the accuracy of probability analysis. And the last, to provide clear explanation and interpretation of probability result in practical scenario.
Now let's move on to theoretical basis. So we have the binomial distribution. The binomial distribution describes the number of successes in a fixed number of independent Bernoulli trials, each with the same probability of success. Use in scenario where outcomes are classified as success or failure. So we have the formula written. So the Px equals K is probability of key success in n trials, and the n total number of trial. K is the number of successes. The P probability of success on a single trial, and 1 minus P is the probability of failure on single trials. So, for the binomial distribution to be valid, we have four assumptions must be made. The first one is each trial is independent, meaning the outcome of one trial does not affect the others. The second one, there are only two possible outcomes per trial, success or failure. The third one, the probability of success P remains constant throughout all trials. And the last one, the number of trial N is fixed. These assumptions are crucial for accurate modeling using the binomial distribution.
And for the Poisson distribution, we start with the definition. According to Weiss 2018, the Poisson distribution is a discrete probability. Discrete used to model the frequency of events occurring within a fixed interval of time or space, where the event occur independently of one another. And on the right, we can see the K formula, where the lambda represents the average stress of the occurrence over the specific interval. K is the actual number of occurrence, and E is the Euler number, approximately equal to 2.718. And the Poisson distribution is governed by the following key assumptions: independence. Its event occur independently of the others. Constant rate. The average rate of event remain constant over time or space. The simultaneous event. At most one event occur at any specific point in time or space. And application in this study, we use two cases. The first one is visitor arrival at Jaliliwa Coffee, and the second is dice roll simulation. For the case one, visitor at Jaliliwa Coffee, the methodology involves data collection, parameter estimation, good, goodness of fit testing, and for the test two, dice roll, the steps are followed: concept review, random sampling, accurate event frequency, compute sample means, analyzing sampling variance, empirical testing. And the next slide, please. And this is the framework we use, research framework for this study, including 8 phases. The first one is identify events and variables. The first step is to identify the events and variables for analysis. Like in case one, Poisson distribution, the event is arrival at history at the G1. And for the second one, is data collection. After identifying the event and variable, data is collected for both cases. And third is descriptive analysis. This step involves summarizing the collected data to understand its characteristics. We collect the descriptive statistics such as mean, variance, and proportion. And so that we can visualize the pattern and trend in the data, such as fluctuation in visitor arrival and any. And in fourth is distribution interpretation and parameter estimation. Identify the appropriate probability distribution and estimate its parameter. Poisson distribution estimates rate of occurrence. And for the five is model development. We develop the theoretical model for its distribution using estimate parameters. In six is goodness of fit testing. Evaluate how will the observed data fit the theoretical models and perform statistical tests. And seven, analyze the of results. We interpret the result and from the goodness of fit test and determine whether the observed data align with the theoretical distribution or not. And the last one, eight, conclusion and application. We summarize the findings and their significance, and we discuss how well the Poisson and binomial model represent the data. Next slide, please.
And the first case is binomial distribution. In a game, we roll the dice 12 times. We calculate the probability that the number 5 appears exactly 4 times and at least 3 times. And therefore, we calculate probability of exactly 4 times. The formula is P x equal K equal combination and x p power x times 1 minus p power n minus k, and we get the probability is 0.0889. And then for the probability of at least 3 times, we calculate p x. Bentar, gini tandanya apa? And then for the probability of at least 3 times, the first step we calculate the px equals 0 and we get 0.1122. And And then we calculate Px equal 1 and we get 0.0448. And then we calculate P x equal to and we get 0.0296. And then we calculate Px lesser than 3 and we get 0.1866. And last we calculate P bigger than or equal 3 and we get 0.8134. For the software calculation, we get some result with the manual calculation. And the second case is Poisson distribution. A cafe Janji Jiwa located in the city center based on historical data. The average visitor arrival per hour is 10 people. We will use the Poisson distribution to calculate the possible number of visitors coming in 1 hour. What is the probability that in 1 hour the Janji Jiwa cafe will receive exactly 5 visitors? The first step, we calculate Px equal 5 equal 10 power 5 e power minus 10 divided by 5 factorial and we get the answer 0.0378. So the probability that exactly 5 visitors will arrive in 1 hour is approximately 0.0378 or 0.78%. And for the software calculation, we get same probability with the manual calculation.
This project made binomial and Poisson distribution easy to understand with real-life examples. Rolling dice proved the central limit theorem, showing how average become more predictable as you roll more. On the other hand, the Poisson distribution helped analyze customer arrivals at Janji Jiwa Cafe, giving practical ideas for managing results more effectively. In conclusion, the studies show how statistics can simplify randomness and help us make better decisions in real life.
Ya,
Bisa
udah.
nggak?